Today we're already off to a bumpy start. I have managed to spill some almond butter oil on my stove already. But that's besides the point. It's cleaned up now. Never happened. Never happened. Today I am going to be making almond butter chocolate chip cookies. I've never made this before, but I love me some almond butter. So this is a very simple recipe. It's only really 3 ingredients, optionally 4. You're gonna need a cup of almond butter, half a cup of brown sugar or coconut sugar, an egg, and then optional is vanilla extract. Oh, and then also the chocolate chips. I'm adding those in. The recipe that I'm following doesn't have chocolate chips. So technically 4, possibly 5 if you want to add your vanilla extract. So first I'm going to portion out everything so it's kind of easier. We're going to use the whisk and mix together these 3 ingredients. And you would also add in your vanilla extract at this point if you wanted to. Our cookie dough. Then I'm going to add in walnuts as well because I have some, and my chocolate chips. So I'm going to mix those in. I'm just eyeballing as to how much I want to add. You can do the same. That could have easily been too much. Spatula to help combine everything. I'm just gonna gently fold it. This is what my dough looks like, and now I'm gonna get out my baking sheet so we can form the cookies. Okay, so the first batch of cookies came out. There's only 3 left because, again, like last time, I ate some. They're very good. I would say they have like the texture of oatmeal cookies. More like grainy, I guess, because of the almonds. But they are very good.
I just had a cup of milk with them, and I have chocolate all over my hands, so.
The recipe for disaster.